Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning about our testing procedure behind our spindle room door, so let's dive on in.
Every single spindle we repair are test run to the maximum RPM, along with the balance test and vibration analysis. Spindles are initially rotated at 5% of maximum speed while bearing temperatures and vibration signatures are checked and recorded. Once all test readings pass specification, the RPM is increased by 10% intervals until the maximum RPM is achieved. Vibration signatures and balance readings are also documented during this process. After all vibration and balance readings pass inspection at maximum RPM, the spindle is ran for an additional 1 to 2 hours, with a total test time being 8 hours.
Thanks so much for watching my Spindle Chick Chat. If you guys have any questions regarding your CNC spindles or machines, please reach out to me, Lauren at motorcityrepair.com. Hope to hear from you soon, and have a great rest of your day.